AK sir, your English language tutor.
Hello guys, today we are going to learn some action verbs in English. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Climb, climb. The pilot climbed into the cockpit. Crawl, crawl. The baby crawled across the floor towards her mother. Clean, clean. The janitor does a good job of keeping the office clean. Jump, jump. He can jump over the fence. Fight, fight. When he was young, he was always fighting. Right, right. Ride in the country. Cook, cook. She cooks things for me that I like. Drink, drink. What would you like to drink? Write, write. Write your name neatly at the top of the paper.